What's up guys, it's Kevin from K Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the Suitcase Kettlebell Deadlift. Alright guys, so key points of performance. We're trying to get into a anti-rotation exercise that's going to help your lower back if you've been having trouble here, and it's going to be more challenging so you don't rotate. So essentially, I'm assuming you've already mastered the kettlebell deadlift, and that's where we always unlock the knees and then push the hips back, keeping the shins vertical. If you're having a hard time and having your back here, take a step down and go to the floor. Try to get your spine moving with some cat and cows before you start to deadlift, and really feel that spine move, because it's really important that we're training a good position and not picking up anything like this. Just like you were on the floor, tighten up your back and get into a good strong position. So if you come out to the front, you'll see when we pick up this bell, feet are always going to be super tight. Anytime we're doing any type of deadlift or squat, we're always screwing the feet into the floor so we can get the most amount of hamstring engagement and have the hips locked in. So keep that tight, the hips centered, no shifting, trying to stay tight. Push the hips through, especially on the way down. Don't let any shifting with this hip kick out. Try to stay centered, resist the rotation, and do that by being super intentional, taking it down slow, and working that hip, pushing out from the knees so we can get good, strong protection of your lower back. That's how to do the single leg, or excuse me, the single, whatever it's called, the suitcase kettlebell deadlift. Yeah.